Hello everybody, my name is Sai Samir Surmure and I'm going to talk to you about two subjects which I'm going to facilitate at St. Peter's College. Now I would also give you a little background about what am I talking. Okay, so this is about a course by the name of BVOC. It's a bachelor's course which is being given at going to be given in the coming year at St. Peter's College in Vasai. This course is actually in collaboration with the Tata Institute of Social Studies. I think all of you all are well aware about it. It's a premier institute all over India and well known internationally as well. Okay, and so this course which is there is going to have two specializations. Okay, one is going to be into graphics and multimedia. The another one is going to be into journalism. And yes, of course, I know all of you all are surprised that such kind of things are being given in Vasai, so I say yes, they are being given at St. Peter's College. Now I have been associated I'm associated with them currently as a facilitator, as a trainer, where in both these courses I'm going to facilitate two topics. One is communication skills and the another one is personal grooming. So, while I'm talking to you about all this, I want all of you all to know a few things, and that's the reason why I'm talking to you over this video. So, basically, there is a lot of change which has happened all around us in the industry. Like you may have come across, there are different communication skills. Okay, like our communication is also no longer only one to one, physically being with a person and then talking. It's no longer only that. It uh, it's it's it is on email now, it is through mobile now, it is through webinars, through conferencing, video conferencing, so many things. So moreover, the time now that each one of us have, okay, is very limited. Companies, employers are looking out for precise kind of skills in people. So before we had physical files where we would work, like people from our generation, we had physical files where we would work on those physical files, and the files would get passed on to our bosses, our super bosses, whatever. But now most of this data is no more physical. We have all this data over as a part of our technology, and we also have to present this huge data in front of the top bosses whenever we work. Okay, so presentation skills have also become very very important in the current times. Everything is technology based, but with technical expertise we have to have good communication skill to stay afloat in the industry. So but moreover, though times everything is technology based and everything is happening according to the atmosphere around, but we also need to handle human beings around us, yes or no? So for example, today if you are in your college or in your school, you need to talk to your friends around you. You need to have good relationships with them. You need to have good relation with your teachers, with the principal, with so many other people around. Imagine yourself when you stay at home, you need to have good relations with people in your family. So though everything is technology based, though the time is less, though precise knowledge is what the companies are seeking, relationship and life skills are still on the front seat. Okay, so till you do not know how to have good relationship with people around by having, and this is actually done only through good communication skills. So if you don't have these skills, you may get a job, okay, you may crack an interview, but after the interview, when it comes to stay in an organization, perform and grow, you may face problems. So life skills and correct attitude is of utmost importance. Now imagine yourself having good relationship with others in the office. What will happen? You will get good advice, you will get cooperation, you will always have a feel good factor. You will grow along with the organization, and when you feel that your time has come to move to another organization, it will be the last. You will keep growing as and when you leave jobs also to another, or in an another organization. So for all this, good communication skills is a must. Okay, so now imagine, when we are teaching you these modules, we clearly know that only technical knowledge, which of course also is the best available in the industry, because all faculties who are going to facilitate this are from the industry, who are going to facilitate it to you. So along with that, we also know that there is a lot of work we need to do on the core personality that kids have, because who's going to pick up these courses? Kids who have just completed their HSC would be eligible for these courses through some interview and some processes. Okay, so while they are doing this technical course, they also would be getting a chance into internship, as internship into small modules. In every module there is somewhere where the child actually goes to a company, works there, and gets an hand on experience. So during that time, they should their transition should be very easy, very simple. For that, all these things like personal grooming and communication skills are included into the course. So personal grooming also, when you talk, how do you shake your hands, what is the kind of eye contact you maintain with people when you meet them, how do how is your body language, all this is interconnected, whether it is along with means the communication skills and personal grooming. So all this, what we are going to teach you through these modules, is going to be a complete hands-on and practical way. You're going to learn it into a practical way. We have used various different kind of techniques to facilitate this, like quizzes. We have role plays that you'll be doing, and you are going to enjoy this entirely. So thank you very much and welcome. You need to go ahead and talk to Seema Patel ma'am, from St. Peter's, to get your admissions done. Go on St. Peter's website, and through the contact numbers, please do contact. All the very best. Thank you.